So, what is Slack and how can we use Slack for work? Hello, everyone, and let's get started. Slack is a cloud based collaboration platform designed to facilitate communication and teamwork within organizations. It offers various features such as messaging, file sharing, integration with other tools, customizable channels to organize discussion based on topics, and much more. So, let's start by creating a Slack account. For that, open any of your browser and tap on or search for Slack. Tap on the first link provided by the Slack itself, and then you will land to this another page. From here, first of all, let us log in. So for that, you can either tap on sign up with email or sign up with Google. Once you click on any of the option, it will ask you to verify your account. Once you have verified your Google account, it will then ask you to confirm. Tap on confirm and within few seconds, you will be successfully logged in into Slack. Hereby, you can use various features of the Slack. That is, you can create a workspace. For that, first of all, tap on create a workspace option. Thereby, you have to provide a name to your workspace or the team. It is actually the company or the team that you'll be working on. So once you have given the name, tap on next. You can now add your name, profile photo and much more. Tap on next again once you have made the changes. Hereby, you can add the members or the co-worker by the email. For that, you just have to write in their email address and they will be added to the same workspace. Now, once that is created, you can now enjoy and join channels, create various workspace and start working in a collaborative way. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.